I think it's a great idea to buy houses that are in need of repairs, but regular retail buyers do not. They want the house to be all redone. They want it at least in really good condition. They don't want to have a kitchen remodel. They do not want to do some handyman fix-up work. They just want a place that they could move in, put their bags down, and be done with it all. So they are looking for move-in ready homes. I am a big advocate of buying houses that need repairs, of course. So that's what I do for a living. That's my business, and I try to talk to buyers about how it is to buy a house needing repairs. If your house needs repairs and you're looking to sell, contact me. I will go to bat for you and help you get that house sold one way or another.